Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLBS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. But all in all, to just summarize today's price movement, basically a pump and dump. I'm not going to quite call it a pump and dump yet, and I'll explain that. And this is also why this level of support right here at the 40-cent mark is what I would call a must-hold, do-or-die level. And I'm not saying this will actually occur, but why would I consider this such an important level? Well, if the price goes to 40 and then just continues on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range from where it was before the big movement occurred. So in other words, that would imply that, like I said, right there, awesome move, very impressive movement. But then within just a couple of days to have the price go right back to where it was, that is the epitome of a pump and dump. Again, I'm not saying that it is a pump and dump, but it's very, very close because the price is so close to potentially breaking down through 40 cents. So the moral of the story here, very, very important level of support going forward is going to be that 40-cent mark. So we'll see if the price can stay above it for that reason. And then on the flip side of things, maybe something like this were to occur where the price comes down here, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upward. Now, what would you have all of a sudden in this situation? Well, now you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there. You envision those as stair steps, and then here you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress, and that's why, again, from that point of view, 40 cents can be very helpful because that would show as a sign of progress. Now, if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, key level of resistance to watch is going to be right up here around, we'll call it the 60-cent mark, give or take. So watch 60 cents, but as of right now, and at least in my opinion, top priority is whether or not the price can stay above 40 cents. So let's see what happens with that level next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.